going to be showing you how to make keto brownies. These brownies are super chocolatey and they're the perfect dessert. Okay, so let's jump into the ingredients. So first things first, we're going to need 1 cup of melted butter, 3/4 cups of powdered erythritol, 4 eggs, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, half a cup of almond or coconut milk, a 1/3 cup of unsweetened chocolate chips or chunks, and lastly 1/4 cup of powdered erythritol. So we're gonna start by preheating our oven to 350. We're gonna begin by putting our melted butter into a bowl. We add the granular erythritol and we're gonna mix till both are combined. Next, we're gonna add our vanilla and we mix again. Then we're gonna crack our eggs into the bowl. And you know the drill, we're gonna whisk the eggs. Now we're adding the cocoa powder and we're gonna mix it all together. And just heads up guys, cocoa powder, it's a really dry ingredient, so it's gonna take some time to mix it all together. Once there are no clumps, we're gonna add the coconut flour as well as the baking powder. And now we're just gonna mix everything together. Now we're adding the coconut milk little by little, and I am starting with a 1/4 cup. And of course, we're gonna be mixing now. And you can see that your batter is still missing a little bit of liquid, so add a little bit more and mix it again. And we're just gonna add the last little bit of coconut milk. Mix again, and once it's all combined, we're gonna add the salt. Keep mixing till combined and proceed to add your chocolate chips. Mix one last time and voila! So now that we have our batter all ready to go, we're gonna grab our dish. I'm gonna be using an 8x8 dish, and we're gonna grease it up so our brownies do not get stuck in the plate, okay? And this is really important, otherwise it's not gonna work. So don't forget to grease up your dish. So today I use butter spray, but you can use just regular butter or any other type of oil of your preference. And now we're just gonna put our batter into the dish. We're just gonna spread it even. And we're gonna put this baby into the oven for around 30 to 40 minutes. So 30 minutes have passed and I'm gonna check on my brownies. It seems like the middle is still a little liquidy, so I'm gonna pop them in there for another 10 minutes. So the 10 minutes have passed and I'm gonna check on my brownies again. And just to make sure, I'm gonna stick a knife in the brownies. I think they are ready, so I'm gonna take them out. So we're just gonna let them cool for around 20 minutes and then we'll come back to them. So now that our brownies have cooled down, we're gonna sprinkle them with our powdered erythritol. So for that, we're gonna need a strainer. So we're just gonna grab our strainer and put some erythritol in there and shake it all over the brownies. And now that the brownies are all ready, I'm gonna cut them and transfer them to my plate. So there you guys have it, keto brownies. I swear these are the best keto brownies I've ever had, and I won't lie to you guys. I have a really sweet tooth, and like this is my favorite. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave me a comment. See you guys in the next video. Bye!